Nyame odo. In fact, he loves you so much even in your weakness. When we were yet sinners, Christ died for us. In fact, we swallow crab 5. Oh, pefuni bipa. But you are still loved by God. Maybe I was never cocaine, but you're still loved by God. On the quaffo and I'm in you know who are trying so. Oh, you're no quaffo. I was no quaffo. The show bet me a prayer and I pray who can say Yami no quaffo. The Otten and Chain will came on can say Yamidia or Yano quaffo. Yamen to say me MP and I say assemblyman and I'm a sofo and I'm a president and I'm a Kurumahine and I'm a Kurumahima. Yamidia or Yano quaffo. Finance na me dwene nkrofo a mo say wo man pa no ye beba so nkrofo ekuo be ye mienu miensa bi mo say man me boss na minim say ebibu ebubefu, but they are part of it because we be betimi atransaase ya manipa du won say wo man na de no. They are the notorious wicked people, but one who are in a higher position in our country. Assassin nipa be 5 and then nipa 10. That's a way when you bring some agent. And then what to assassin? Maybe a 40,000 Ghana cedis. And you are nipa by 10. Who say ni pay? I was thinking a chiwa do too, but Ghana, omo yes, I no nemu free. No man sa kwatina say near the cameras are 2 on so kroma. Can you believe it? But me sumo no kwafu nyame onye onte se Ghana ahemfo no bi onte se ahemafo no bi. I'm serving a pure truthful God. Yentu na dia so oya no kwafo onte se Ghana asofo bi oya no kwafo 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 sa nyame na me so obotenti nyame enewo wakame hwe obeso okan ho obeso okan ho jai ayakayo ebufuo mansotwen arapei ebusuafo wa ha. And also, my Dika catches a 60th birthday of Papaya from Pong, Professor, Reverend Professor YAW Paul from Pong Manson, Assemblies of God, the General Superintendent, and our one Asaya, Pentecostal and charismatic in the whole Ghana and Honedano. And our small arms, world Ghana hands us on the Juma, Juma. And then a weekend in the birthday, and the 60th birthday. Fear be seen enough for Medeme ho nina mawo. Ezekiel 18:21 says, and then thus they says the Lord, if the wicked man renounces all the sins he has committed, all the sins he has committed, respect my laws, and they respect my laws, and the law abiding and honest, he will certainly live, he will not die. He will not die. When our bonnet is said, dear baby, Ezekiel 18:21. When our bonnet said, dear, I know we are going to go. Was it so such a wagging? Never knew now pay muka. Money away now. Without your baby for our Kumoma, or sister, was such a wagging. Was such a wagging. mo Facebook me mo akwaba wo awofie na oda wo radio ho me mo akwaba me da asese wo fidie da ha osof question ke wa ha no ma remfisa ye kotu sa scripture na every danuara erekro so tu nani e de sa David one and two nani asan wo one my first day we no be share wa sorry an otu nani san wo we no be share office back on kan no otu nani wo bi ka kura wo dem keke wo da ka no keke no an otu nani san Obi ohunu wo massa ne omo ye intelligent ene otu na ni sa wo ma no teacher ni bi ehunu akwada bi ne potentials ne greatness ne da ache de akora ne be na teacher ni ayire ne ho atu na ni esi akwada yi so a efre na akora bone sa ma enkrofo a ewo school wonyina adwene sa akora ne ya akora bone mi wa onya akora bone teacher ni a ne tiri mu odin be ya dore no ese akwada yi akora bone Ubetimi akwa sorry sofu bibetimi ho dressing ohun wo dressing anu a conclude we a prostitute ah ade my day oh me hwe sania we ah wo be hwe wo hwe ohwini mu no wa hwe wo nan no wa hwe o moyere wo hwe saa wo hwe ring ye show honey house ha onya uni papa you see obi betimi atunani esi wo so saa sofu ko ese no tunani esi wo so saa sofu
Muachi enchia me menchia.
Me dia menchia sa enchia mechia na me de koya. Me dia me nya dia mechia.
Me se machi.
Me menyo so.
Me se machi.
Yo. We say we
ubuza mazama.
Me bo we keke.
We tu ani esimi. We tu ani esimi so. Me baga na we tu ani esimi so sa.
Na every danuara.
Every danu ko.
Eju ni say unim da bia obi decide ya odi na ni si so. Your colleague pastor. Wona na dada ba ko na uni na didie wona na da krope in the midst of one meeting. No tu na ni esi.
Tu na ni esi wo. O ma microphone biem. O ma property biem.
Just say one day it takes a day for somebody to set his eye on you.
From that day onwards.
It takes a day.
A free sad than or
now onya edinani siw so wia asa na oye de obeye bia be ma wo no da se wonim begu ase na wo ministry ahye na wo company
transfer
obi di nani siw so a eno ene empire next week ye de see eno so from Ajuada ye ho akonkyere minim de ode nani ase wo ne wo maame ma wo papa ma wabusua wawade wo hunu company kura keke obi hono matese wote wudini kura keke no ah adano bi se radio so me kasa no bi erengie no say me ti wudin ana me buofu na me kese wo
safo no ho
was me ti wudin for some reasons bi me ti wudin person wo ba radio so na ma start say me kese wo keke e bufu sa me chiru sa ono ana eka yenya me na me ka enti abusia e wo ho wo ma me fie wo papa fie obi betimi atunani esi osua wo bi sese na de na maye de pote na maye office am me buy de na maye me buy me smile towards everybody I've been talking to everybody to be then you ask yourself adan ana makana ho asema na in your heart and that's why you be and bacho na de na David yakoye ayekum no wakum Goliath ena nkrofo na etotwom
nkunimdie kwa no de aba
nkunimdie no de abre wo animunyam no de abre wo man
wo he wote wo
wantimi ankọ
capacity no
ena obi akọ
be na yewa na de na yewa
obi de se una obeye leader wutimi ye Ghana niema ye nkuanti odenani eso
odenani beji so
odenani so obeye agu company Obi a politician, obey yes, and me walk away. Me walk away. Make sure where the power lies. We promotion part time or drew us a debby. Me masai would obey me a baba, me maquine and ma went to me consider. Me name dear, Obi a word to nani see was so. And to you can't say ya was also waji na what the abompa. But as I say, what you did. Obi bisasa he fana oko to you know. 1 Samuel chapter 18. Verse 9. What's that?
If you dread a copy fiat, a 1 year.
Let's know one patch for me to back home. Yanko to the sack can yanko. Ebi obidin and near see when they will when they were yere, when they were man, when they were Juma, when they were this were doing, when they were die song. In fact, the person confessed and said that he would never let you have your peace. Waka. Mini madam for be a bit me corner baho a friend and say, Umame. The Germany in a biguno. Madam for you. Or Kenya me someone be nemuno. No will be to me a corner baho. Say, Umame, the company, the ministry. You be good to say talk. Minimum, yes, away my mamma take. Nimpa will be what Nassisa sorry penning diabolically edging the downfall of Nepsof. One of the near suits. So for ya can say no, it in Yama say may come and zero because a serious will be done a bedroom now or Ginny a choir or best set a trap. If I would check a scripture, ya can buy was if idea or cofa or bar cry or no one or the man David said the Baya would be soon the fidie that the daughter will be a snare in the life of David. Obi be chawa dear or chewinina a snare. Harado Shibrada Grostaba. So what chama dear? I didn't know they chop no no was in a man said the beya. A beya fidina and my was it Yamina Menano, Namatona, my Philistine for. Yeah? Birthday lady. Amen. In some way, no, me some make us some here, no. Can't what they can. Oh, and they wouldn't even.
I don't feel I started maybe at the end of the month. So for I was saying, I am a tacker. Sir, be a walk and come my way if you be a more Holland, meaning my organ with the other tap and cramming. Bones of cramming to me, dough. After was some. Usim sa uko kroma kama ni timi diwechi odiwechi ya no di baby a na wasan nechi no sa krama mpo diwechi no san a hu se wasan nechi na wode nipa nam na se nipa san nechi wo ho a uda
e wadwen mu
ono beda
ono ko ono
beda
nsina dwen mu de
na wasan
wadility with the why virus amano
so da so
odiwechi sere de ebufu kwan san sere ka ho
hagi wo bedwam in the presence of people obe hagi na ochiaw na okoto aduane brew na so onu enim paasa
hag betrayal. Also say my hag no. Madam for pa minimum no.
Erade mo aye ni o. Erade mo aye. Erade mo aye ni o.
Ejade we you hu free me.
Erade mo aye.
Ejade ko fiada.
Erade mo aye ni o. That somebody can say me de mani si o so say wo. Isan say you are afraid of competitiveness.
Yes,
you are afraid of for somebody to compete with you. You are afraid. That we are see a yakitu ebisa. We are seeing a son so. Nanso so we do any be see or software sumes yes this is not so egu ana edi na obenya.
Na ye dein.
Me ya se wono wantimi nsi asori da.
Na ye dein, na ye dein. Na ye dein.
But you may see na suffer.
Where you grow? Witchcraft.
Na so I said that's a man the gift. Me man the gift no. Me am so many fidie. Oh my gosh.
Body na mama no atodi be ye waye no so for odi sumo fidie. Odi sumo fidie beye kan.
Okay, maame bi ya pon program bi na maame bi de enam maame nua sofo bi. Ena me nua no so ye na say na die ni enti eduru kwan so no to atwene. Ototwene ya na maame ni gina ho.
Kadat.
Ode man no distance wom from asori dem ho. And ya baye nimu a
is me a prophet
na oto atwere say ade wo de memfa nkomi fi oto ye na ma me gina o se na so fa adan
ma che wade na ato akone
be say sa ade
se kodo ni kodo fie
me si emre bi me wo me shop wa wo bi de enam na brochire wo nam wo na ato na ma nam wa mo ja wo hu se wa to na dwuna brebe me maka jo se to na dwuna brebe ma jawe
yan kan se menye papa o
ayo
yan kan se menye papa
what in any issue so and why no di benya o fe di dia
bi ma baba wa bi o ware ye just 1 week da o mo be da urade ase no na maame bi a top pack of pad and what the man ababa said je na ye mu bi jirejira na ye say na we ye e ko si se wo be wo
no sa pad do be issue sa
ene ma nyame ya ye hunu bi no to bre bia ya na obie kakra so we don't talk
obi soon how say I am crying because I've been through this I am crying baby I try my Facebook
obi betimi de yire bia brew obi betimi de ababa wa bia ba life obi betimi de abrantie bia be chaw me se so se me de ne komano na ye fidie obi so de ne be betena won nchen ofi se we don't know what say me de ne mano na me de ye fidie e de amano
your major blessing is coming
Monday to Friday we you who free money dance my father's house resurrection power
obi betimi aba so for me do so for me pe won say me pe ministry be careful Mr. Wo be careful I like what you've been doing I like it
what can bro can
bro abusia yaka we nyina ebi esi wo twere kronkron a ye ka yi mu etime srewa ya ma yani na ho obi baba so obetena won nche no de nse fa wo matirim no de nse fa wo manim
me yiri no wo hey teacher ni bi bo me beti e wa brochiro enye samankasi abrochiri obo ni ti no for over 3 years na kwala more than 3 years me de me country na kwala ni tirimu aye krosa baba ko pe no bo ni ti empai boya enne ensai kwala go pa ya na ko ni abroche
bibi shebe baba enu
o jaje
o ya kwala ru she nu me
obi atu na ni asi wo so
na pese opoto ne nu e ma ne scent so for
ya ba jo be microphone
no somebody can say you can
debi o say nyame nim de enti o me ya pega the scripture nyame nim de enti o because short na se diabolically sa ko me di mani be sine so no odi na ni sine so no hwe ni me sisi ye one stage and one issue after another
no chinkrofo shame
baby no what the sick share the home time one no chinkrofo shame no prepare chinkrofo against David send crofo adwene
intense na nipa ne be hia wo no
it answer na nipa ne be hia wo no what time wo dada
o tan ya tan wo nyina obi na ase obi adwen o tu na ni si wo
so tu na ni ese wo so say wo de obe blackmail you wo de wo be ya na wa paint you black
until before bedru ho na wadi wani
tu na ni ese wo so
ene tie for pe na mora ho ye tie nyina
ye ni tie nyina ye ho because ani ma ye ka no train ya kenken but it is bringing a lot of things and yes ya fam be yegusu fam kwabra yegusu fam yegusu na mu ah what be obi say ah wo ye sure say
Mira who Bishop obi asem say
say osi obi tun yenye den
because yenye den say bomba ya
osi den onye because osi obi tun esi so sa den na onye
osi
onye den
den
onye
time ne baba
o akra ha ka yenzo mra dance ma
akra de wakra
so for mra dance ma mra me ko da
mra dance ma if you do da kopin fiada
mra me ko da me ka tell me ko da I will keep it quiet and so amongst all this no seradi you be so odo focus de omo aduane ani omo nsa omo se ya ye ma wonda na so no na omo a omo di waduane no wusuo ohun edi usika no mo jom kokrobotie team for
what did David can you was 50 was wo ma me bampo what so pano na was seven aka
abusia e bia obi di na ne asi so e wo ba bia wo ya adwuma bank ho e wo ministry ho e wo hospital ho e to bia you feel so frustrated baby if you be alcohol you be in any issue so sa will be said dear na my enra na jo also be friend from Germany and was a script na mpaja na majana sa no mempeu so for the amoya na mempeu because en crofom do ma dey see en so no wobi na wo ba wo ma no obi di na ni esi wo ma no so sa we in free school way na another agent appear ho na we in free school way na another agent appear free what should we do
obe frustrate you
so for no person real
and yes some person e adia e koso
inti e be bo hu mpae
e adia e koso ye kasane ye bosom pae so wona wo mo de wo mani esi enso no mo sa ye pretenders presenter back what wani esi o mampani bi so sa so nya we presenter wo so na meka kontena wura so a wo ba so pa obi papa obi anu nyamfo I want bunny bra because of politics. You see, I'm talking about you. One
so for be a hokra baby, I could see what dying. Dance who try ye. Who try to make free wine?
Who talk about a crowd is two signs, Serico for never. Ah, then who's your fire? Or say, who's your fire? I was so dying. You bet children answer.
What raises here because this is Obi bet my red journalist. So was some president we ask what you dying? What your man in fact are you gold and your quine
still
and probably ultimately will be sending or bad radio so casa no business now and you want to Ghana.
What may be
Enti wanti o meyi mu ana I just say the be our negative things the be our negative things yam frɛ okura yam fam enya okura wo be ya edi asem edi asem wa
ba asem ni minister ne po
obi aba sɔre o sakakra eyi na ye wodi wani esi ne so sa ma hwia ma monsem na kamonum dem de me just say no because this is a whole king of Israel a whole powerful king of Israel. Now was setting the eye on a youngest person in the country. So me say niam bi say me bie so a
me bie fa hyeduada
no me intimi bie so me bie so a me niam ma famu pa wo krodua we sei mo
o de me bie so
ya na mo ne ya sere ne ya sere a enya se niam e de ni si wo so a say Adie na mo ka no me nim de mo ka no
so mo ka sa mo nabot de ye de ko see edwatre o like table head ye de ko see table head so say na a trap
oh ya party amano ya party amano party no aya organize amawo say na
because owo edwapade
yeah nani brain do wo no
edwapade ni ti ha di obeye so betutu fo no do be hye ho so be ba
me say oba bi die yen tamma ba ma bi ikohu na wofo so be ware ne pa ni etu ni ani si ni so ono ani hwe
menima baba wa bia na wo ware bruni and wakofa ni nu efia kurase edere ba se betra ye nchen na me kunu ne namfo be ba ha so that wo so be die
Facebook for the
die be see ne sister na Jane what dey pamono no o Jane what dey pamono no free kurum ha
what Jane what dey
what are you talking about
Muja franfa
oji ni sister kuno no e pamono Wow, introduce you will be into radio program. Wow, create you opportunity. No call office. Na ono kudidi wase. Mese sa me bie me ma no ba ko mienu so a mu bo no ma ha bi bie ba ko a there is bie ba ko a wa ba ka se
praise God
me na wona usa ko sa wo ba do bia ma ye di so me wura ha ma ye di na ma ye di One atnase and wasi nkonya no aba ho po. God will expose them. God will expose them. God will expose them. Oh my God will expose them. God will expose them. God will expose them. Oh, God will expose them. Yeah, the issue good for my God will expose them. Yeah, the oil so for my God will expose them. Yeah, kasachire wie my God will expose them. Obi biara was setting the eye on children of God. Munya ya nanka businessmen, omiye Christians in nanka business go.
Egu.
Na ya no adwom.
Egu.
Osibe ka onya me asem ni bioma ye hwe.
Egu. What? You want dance video? Egu.
Na Christopher kasa de dim.
Bishop, anything anumre never again all night, you know. I see a starting free baby. Yes, starting free baby. Well, maybe say what say who tie na what Accra and in Patimua. Anumre dance man never again all night. My father's house. Ye be bompire. Ye be nibrim pie. Nibrim pie. Ye go go Lord, you know, Lord. No. Ye bompire ni bi. E hun to mapa. Time has come. Say you exercising the power and authority. You should hear my end. What when you see me so? When me dear my the shoes you go for moi. I just say one no musu.
For your hun jododo.
Ye hun jododo. What you say? Say ye hun yo. And getting in our Bible. Ye be catch that at asase. Una ti asase so asase deny. But you be sue them you be deny. What asase be deny. You become a fugitive.
Abakoshi gabahata.
Amen.
among Kazaka.
Thomas.
Almost a dama about Rebbe Copen. Send a bay of a shears. Say, yes, a cop. Not a man, you be a son of not old chap,
but evidence.
No, I
was posting.
I don't know Empire when I say about it.
I got on by force.
By force,
you may all night.
A man a man
and by banana.
A man.
Men too, and
I don't just about many issues. I may direct me program.
A man on grass.
There is difference between me and many issues, so I may direct me program.
Is the way a director.
I program. Mama can be a real
Champon. With 2 years free Holland.
No
ambulance. They say must be direct to programs. Ambulance, no doctor. A champon, Isaac, a champon, your friend, Achi. I'm sure you know what send this car. I'm saying, Achi. Namisha, what it? Namisha.
And Papa Benzo, so no tears, yeah, it may be a on now. Or here commands a new Kajitia, a dino more yanoa, some month for a year massive. Yes, or no. When they get the brain behind it, and I say, oh, so for more cancer, you don't know the kind of people that listen to us.
Exactly.
And the man who say, may control me program because a lot of them they listen to us. A lot of them. Bayon one was a co-president fee. What they wouldn't grow for.
President one is you. Mamma president.
Onozo so
Mamma president.
Oh, Mamma come as me.
Obama program ya na
oh anya da bia Obama kasa bia ka me meche kama me kana beza me kana me komgrum I'm a president in Canada. Nana, good morning. President one.
I am for him the tuning almost tree crown or yekano. When I'm governor back home. Okay, I'm say Uchi what canon, send me what canon. You fear you train your de policy in tree. Or your governor of Bank of Ghana. Nyame Adom. I don't be share Mame Akufo, Gloria Akufo. Na the near J the kind of programmer you present na share me or no tin akunya so na we I was sorry. No, or sorry, Chiame, and given that obi here say no hwe me size na who is this guy police for jina no sorry na I'm so that is the word of the Lord e nyame ani monyam de nyame ye no me kura o cham na me hu ni akro sorry sir later so we hu me no boni den kitikite me so oh boy I'm sorry but you see God honor us every day. The biarada. Ebusia eti mutie say no say won't be support ye njumedie ya ambulance ya enra obi a support man ye fe. Nipa ba akukra betumi ato. Oh. By fe na fe say ye ma obi opportunity.
Contribution.
Fe na fe nti kakra obetumi aye bia no oya eyenhira 0244 710 311 0244 710 3.
That number is for Adom Dakwa General no be 20 pounds. 80 pounds in the man, 20 pounds in the man. I say, Mamma Fan Kaka ambulances.
That's right. That's
right. I'm so in Yamini Papa. Monte so Marka. Yamini Papa. 20 pounds. Okay. Everyone. 20 pounds.
Okay. Eti yanko emai ho mo na watwe nyina no na watwe nyina no no so waware na so kuna tu na ne asi so a o gift nyina ka wo ye oh yes papa enye mo koma no se ukunu adi na ni si so a o gift be ka wo ye mfor wo bie wa no se wo suggest bibi hey What's with the idea way back towards Enkurano cry, yeah, do a more school. Hey!
Yes.
What's you a Diana cry time while you dear Diana, Sunny a disicacura to Ponso? Hey, Miname Ware war. A year ninty so only biano, be a to the near so. I ask one to do baby, I see her. No more, I am no more, useless. It took be a wow man, no, I am so useless.
Bishop, I said, Ben, I'll go for baby.
And
I know people about but one will be a year, be an uncle. Or see, one will be what will be your tujum. None of you was like it was habit in field doing, you know, that's tujum. Oh, I am more no say. And Yammy, but you will be a group who couldn't.
I mean,
they have been consistent.
About the funny part.
Oba e money peja.
Sabi I'm going to because the
Obia send the message. Joa came or say me na yire why architect or say me na yire ye be ma 400 Ghana cedis. God bless you, Joa came. Pentecost near branch here. Pentecost I think almost nyina no one of the guys am come one and yes, very very good.
See Facebook for anya na hwe ani di tie keke no na ye ka ho asebu. Abasebon ye pe mu fasika no bra.
Obitua I will pay 50. My name is Vivian from UK. 50 day pounds. Pounds.
Say adum da kwakro Ghana.
Okay, Vivian Akuya Benewa. Thank you very much. I was so bit to me I contribute to but young queens a meet kakra kana yemfa and kasa. Obaya started now.
Amen.
Obaya
and many Japan so topic radio mama mirao. Dear person you can't go to share a man crying and say you de be empower you and you obia no benya kwan abetina ha akasa and then you obia na benya kwan ejida aso de le preach but empowerment no e wo kwan bebre so emra 25 years na Mrs. Kwesi K na on bar radio no she was still powerful in her own corner.
Oh, for sure.
Me sure says seni kunu amem seni kukura kai se me prepare message bia me bisa
on fan chere no
it doesn't mean say it doesn't mean say
for the fact say we in this area no chere say
baby a wo hye bia ne wo ye no ye ni ye
bright in the corner
so wo ni why be bisa say nipa na no wo ha no we my hair is on fire. My is on fire.
Okay.
My is on fire. I'm simply back on the crew. Baby, I'll show you. I can say you are. Say you are new. You ben na you are new. You problem. But Obianti say bana ya body dia. Obianti huno. Inti person me encourage a man say ye nyina ye gifted in your different ways.
That's right.
Wo would dear bia. What dear say? Nipa no oba radio so no me bon paya man keke. Osofo o bon paya man. And that's just baby o gifts no wo no. Enye de nkrofo hu but empower hu afen so no ma enkita hu basabasa. Se opese obi ebe wari me say welembo mami o ka kire ni say enye for ahene se mo be wari emma bia keke. Oba bia keke aso yo ba bia keke. And now wo your ba what to bo atiti wo ho esua wo ma ho atiti
minchawano obi say I want to send 50 euros ambulance and some dey we ho more empowerment my empowerment e beti aye next year next
next year
information
empowerment here.
I want to send 50 euros for the ambulance. So please give me a name for Western Union or MoneyGram. Edini Samuel Labi. Or Dame Labi. Bro. Oh.
Yes, on Facebook, I say
right. Right.
On go over.
Right. Yeah. Sending information in our so that, but I will personally send the information to you. Me we are, may reply where you know now. 50 dB. That's it. And I'm on church on a moon send it in Munya church. Oh, Obi say, oh please, I want to hear the voice of the precious woman in the studio. Yeah, what's up? Precious woman as well. Precious
empowerment, no, and your competition. Empowerment, no, and your dressing. And yes, we should want say, we should be intimate, we will be intimate. Empowerment, no, yet. Say, Adriana Ukitano, say, the ocean feel guilty. Unco free, or baby, wa, we should be intimate free biashe. Where you call intimate call, yeah, you to do your problem. Yes, I'm paying money to do the call for. It's no, the percentage say, what back on the beer, will say, Titi, ma wouldn't be a year any break. Every giant when I'm coming to catch him. Wait a pounds in India by Badam and Yabu. Ah, Freddy Coviabi, as a Papa, I was sent £50 through Gordon Asarediakon, a cousin from Oman FM.
A cousin. Our year Juma or year Juman so Oman FM. On and or Sunday 500, a journalist. But on the announce one a year Juma. On all can't and crusade.
And also about twist can be. Oh, Gifty Mrs. Gifty Cruce, over Sweden. Was sending €50. Now, what are you trying out? Any eh? Now, my man can't mention on one share video. We will share. Oma Omukojumano, Omunye, Ombabe, no more Swassinis can be. Timon share, and no more idea, you do better 300 and something, and there is about 240 something. What a share, why? You don't lose anything. Me, I share, not share. Why? Mushe.
Obeso, but when I walk in kind. But the amount of family, kind. Ah, Obis and Iskaba, and I two will ring in. Tell them out. I will send €50 to you to give them. So tell them. Copenhagen, Denmark. Come catch you. Come we are tough. We are tough. We never Copenhagen. Who's sending 50? Anytime. Ah, on the brag, Iowa. Hey, Iowa, what's it tell them? Iowa has a connection. Ambulance. You see, I saw shame. Why do you know? Hey, Empowerment. 20 years, grabber. Oh, my gracious. Oh, my gracious. I'm British. I have sent €30 from France. But before, I don't know. I'm the person you prayed for last week. Oh, did I pray for you? When did you be? And Bishop, I and my family, we are sending 500 Ghana cedis. Oh, Anthony. My gift, I will send £50, Papa. £50, pounds. Yeah. Ambulance, prison director. Tell me, my catcher. You told me this working. Unti debia meba Ghana every year to inspect. Man, keeping ye. Najin some. Obati popo le popo. Anto Americans, what behind to me, what be Pierre, just a women's week, a women's, but your man Mike, the Kevin, because every day, with you now send a comment, and to the how they be share a mying crying, or baby, I would tell you.
Bishop Medase, it's been a great blessing. Sami Timo, na especially Sami Nabeme or my brother. I'm sorry, my Jew. It's been a blessing for me to listen. I mean, say, we need what you are doing. We here pa. Na me drink, I'm okay. When I may drink or bana or then go Jesus and ask. She has to overcome a lot of challenges. because of your bar any question koben Jesus Christo now can you imagine now when your guts no meaning how she was able to gather herself or sorry say I missed the memocha Jesus Christ we share dia wo mo beka me pese me share yen nyina nkran say to de bia yen close yen ears kakra na yen fix your eyes on Jesus because nipa ba akopɛ no the author and the finisher of our faith.
Thank you.
Enya mema na twa yen we share no we should not be intimidated. Yen try say yen gather yen ho na yen take it that step na bia Jesus Christ no no try or say mo de mu nim she has anointed me for my burial. Na Jesus Christ in him or trying no trying. Wow, it is an Obana and Shan Hodia and can Jesus Christ say it was happened to her to him to fulfill that prophecy. That's
right. That's right.
So God has to look for another vessel.
You are bringing more.
The mount was oh be a study musica. Oh be a study amount. Oh I've never preached here. Bramsterdam never preached here. My name is Priscilla Adobia. I am sending 100 Ghana cedis. Priscilla, not precious.
Priscilla.
Precious, the enemy. Precious, precious, but Priscilla. Precious,
I'm intimidators.
Yeah, you'll be actual. Watching you live from Germany. So what? Send your money from Germany. This is what I'm saying. We are sending from Palermo, Italiano, Cabishi, Cabronto. Why are they? What's his name? 30 euro. Okay. I was saying 50 pounds. So, Papa. Okay. Have you? Bishop, today's program is too much. Shut up! Right, I'm sending money next time, Bishop. You know the program is too much. Now, I first share. Okay, you are sharing. My idea, pa. They say you hit by 300 and Musha send you by Tina almost so send you donations. Ambulance in there is the your family see and Sawamupa. Yehowa. Mekan is an enemy brand name on Payati. Negan Nam. What does Sa will be to the news? Will be to the Brian Mompire certificate and agree. Na Edrada, Ebnada, Ukuda, Yawoda, Ifida, Anopa, 8 o'clock. Now, what can't you no one is not Gaza. It's about deleting Omakaza. Can you
birthday? Now, I'm coming person me can be kakra just like Esther, she took a risk. After praying in her dinner, she took a risk. Even though that time in Suez, also on here, but she went. In sadness and bias, so I said to me, Gina, man, can say, Bia, young ones, that time I said, that risk a positive risk. And it's really
Uku akawashe. Anase bibi akawashe.
Yeah.
Me ma what ya say na you
so ye suje ni suje ye no ama na e kaneshe
ama na mboto
aha
e kaneshe
onya ati na jinsa kaneshe
na kaneshe onu anadwin na e kaneshe
okay
enti obe biara wo sa situation
we 100 pounds as mama nka we 100 pounds we 100 pounds
obe wo situation bi say
Ohima Abena say God bless you all. Pastor K, I am watching 100 pounds from
picking news from Kumasi or picking news from Kumasi.
And it was 100 pounds. 100 pounds. Or if you UK, or if you or Riba, and I was with 50 euros from Germany. Betty, yeah, that's a pa. Watching you live from Canada. So what? Where's your money? Where is your money? Where is your money? Where is your money from Canada?
Okay, me das.
Intimingo.
So don't say, I must say a party. Kola party.
There be a china. Adom Kola party. Kola party. Yeah, Kola Adom Kola party. Kola party.
Bishop Andy.
I was saying this. And they community 3. Anyway, you have a fire.
Bushama say we tie we dem say mema no oma hijack program abra ye ma program but Reverend Professor Frimpo Manson, happy 60th birthday. God bless you. Same me mayako. Same mayako. Same shade. Why? Shade.
God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.